为大家献技噶。我们今年非常高兴，请到光辉龙狮体会再次登场，来到泰国广场为大家去表演今年的舞狮。Can we hear a round of applause？
好，相信大家好期待噶啦！我哋今日咧代表春夏秋冬四季平安嘅4隻金獅咧，準備上台咧，等我哋嘅貴賓為我哋點睛嚇。So let's welcome represent the 4 seasons of grace, prosperity, health and wealth。四獅會歲，四季平安。不過咧，要佢哋精精神神咧，都要請我哋嘅一班嘅主禮嘉賓啊。In order to commence the opening ceremony of the Lion Dance, now we need to invite all our VIPs and the board of directors to join us on stage to awaken the lion by dotting their eye, their back, and their tail.
好啦，嗱 ，Okay, so this is the first lion. Okay, if I read out our VIP name, please come up to the stage from the right hand side. Okay, so Lion 1, Mr. Lanscow, Board of Directors, and also Mr. Godwin Chen, Richmond Hills Deputy Mayor. And we have Ms. Isa Lee, Markham Ward 8 Councillor, and then Mr. Shen Liu from our property management team from Shupon Management. And also we have Mr. Alan Ho from the Markham Regional Councillor from this lion. So now this is Lion 2 and Mr. Edwin Bong, our Board of Directors and Treasurer of YLCC 890. We have MPP Daisy White. We have MPP Winston Kerr, MPP Logan Kanapavi, and James Lau, our Property Manager of Pacific Mall. This lion, please. So next, we do have Lion 3, Mr. Angus Sun from our board of, Miss Olivia Chow, welcome back, you at First Lion. Yes, yeah. Welcome back, our Toronto Mayor. And Lion 3 from the left-hand side, please. We have Angus Sun, Board of Directors. And then also MPP Aris Babikian. Oh, this lion, please. Yes, this lion, please. Yes. And then we have Mr. Jian Zhang, John Zhang, from CACPA, the president of CACPA, and he's also in charge, the CACPA Association is also in charge of today's Food Day show. Thank you so much. And last, let us go to lion number 4, which is very important. And we will have Mr. David Simpson, the Board of Directors of Pacific Mall. On this side, on the right-hand side. Yes, David. And also Mr. Larry To, the Board of Directors of Pacific Mall. Mr. Mario G. Rocco, Regional Councillor of Guam, and Central Yuan Rocco. And also Simon Chui, Richmond Hill Ward 4 Councillor. And then we would like to invite our York Region Police representative to come up to the stage as well. And also if Real Canadian Superstore, our title sponsor, without their generous support, our event would not be this successful today.
Okay, now, obviously, so everyone please, we need solidarity. We need, so we need one person with a pen. Okay, so do we have okay, we need to share our wealth here. So the two people, okay, so we need one here. Okay. So we're gonna use this as the pen. So we're gonna dot both the. Okay, we're gonna dot both the eyes. Okay. Oh, you have pen now. Okay, you have pen. Okay, we're gonna share. We're gonna share this all together. Okay, we're gonna share this all together. We're gonna show solidarity.
Can we get Real Canadian Superstar to maybe at the that side of the red lion
Okay.
as well?
Okay,
And-
so on the count of three, we touch the forehead of the lion first. 1, 2, 3. And then, okay, we got all touch hands together to show we're unity. And then we go down to both eyes. We do the right eye first. Okay, and then we do the left eye. Okay, and then we're gonna touch the tongue together. Open wide, open wide. Okay, we go to the tongue. Yes. Okay, we go to the tongue, and then we use the pen to stroke the back of the lions all the way down to the tail. Tickle, 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 tickle. All right, wonderful. So why don't we pose for the very nice pictures? Okay, so you can come over here, sir. Okay, make